AI is changing how business gets done. But let's be honest. If you're running a small business, it's hard to know where to even start. People keep saying, use ChatGPT. But for what exactly? In this video, I'll break down 3 major ways you can use ChatGPT and similar AI tools to boost your business, even if you're not tech-savvy. Let's go. First is content generation. Do you need to create things like product descriptions, blog posts, or social media captions? ChatGPT can write it for you, instantly. Ask it to write a short product description for handmade soy candles, or give me 10 Instagram captions for a fashion boutique. It's like having a marketing assistant who never runs out of ideas and doesn't charge by the hour. Second is customer communication. Are you struggling to write emails or respond to inquiries? Use AI to draft professional messages in seconds. Write a friendly reply to a customer asking about late shipping. Or draft an apology email offering a discount for a bad review. You can also train ChatGPT to respond in your brand's tone, formal, casual, or even playful. 3 is business research and idea support. Are you starting something new, launching a product, naming a service? You can ask ChatGPT, what are 3 trending digital products in the health niche? Or, give me name ideas for a wellness coaching brand. It's not about replacing your creativity. It's about speeding up the process and getting unstuck faster. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use AI in your business. Start small. Try one category. Because tools like ChatGPT aren't just hype, they're helpful. And if used right, they can save you hours and help you grow smarter, not harder. And if ChatGPT ever feels limited, you can explore similar tools like Claude.ai, great for longer, more thoughtful responses. Copy.ai, built for marketing and copywriting tasks. Writesonic, useful for product descriptions and website text. Gemini by Google, a growing contender for research-style prompts. Each one brings something unique to the table. So feel free to explore and see what fits your workflow.